Hello, Grade 7 Andromeda and Orion. This is Teacher Jerilyn again, and welcome back to another topic in ICT. So for weeks 1 to 4, we already discussed about MS Publisher. Since we are done, now in weeks 5 to 8, our new topic will be about presentation, specifically MS PowerPoint. This video will cover weeks 5 and 6 of our discussion. Your learning competencies for week 5 are: demonstrate skills in using MS PowerPoint in creating slide presentations. 8.1, it is opening MS PowerPoint. Second, close MS PowerPoint. And third is to identify the parts of MS PowerPoint work area. For week 6, create a presentation and save a presentation using different file types. And to guide you along with our discussions, here are your guide questions. What is MS PowerPoint? What are the parts of MS PowerPoint work area? How do you open, save, and close MS PowerPoint? How do you create a presentation? And how to save a presentation? Without further ado, let us proceed with our discussion. And we will start it by defining what is a PowerPoint. So shown here is the logo of our Microsoft PowerPoint. When we say PowerPoint, it is a member of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. So remember, we are already done with our Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Publisher, and then we have our Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation processor that allows you to produce professional-looking visuals containing text and graphics. So what can PowerPoint do for me, for you, and for us? So it enhances a presentation with quick and easy to create high-impact visuals. Present fact-filled graphs and charts to make your point. Retain audience attention with attractive visuals. Import text and graphics from other Microsoft applications. Customize graphics for a specific audience. Let's discuss how to start and close a PowerPoint. Right now, there are different ways on how to start or open Microsoft PowerPoint. Actually, the same process with other Microsoft applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Publisher. So you can start with going to your desktop and look for the shortcut. However, in my case, I do not have the shortcut for Microsoft PowerPoint. Then we may use the start button here or your search bar. So click start button, and when you use search bar, then you can just type Microsoft PowerPoint. In the search button, in the start button, so look for the Microsoft PowerPoint from the list of applications you have. So here is our Microsoft PowerPoint. Just click it once and wait for it to load. And there you go. We already have our Microsoft application here, and as you can see, you can start with using the different templates or a blank presentation. So let's start with a blank presentation. And there you go, you already have the work area for your Microsoft PowerPoint. Now to close your Microsoft PowerPoint, same with other applications as well. So at the upper right part of the screen, you have here the close button or the X button. All you just need to do is to click this and your application will be closed. There you go. So we now have here the Microsoft PowerPoint window, the one I showed earlier. So I have a screenshot here, and these are the parts. We will discuss the function of each one by one. So let's familiarize first with the face of our Microsoft PowerPoint. So same with the other applications, we have here our Office button, the Quick Access toolbar, the ribbons. Notice that there are different tabs here that you cannot find in the other applications, such as the animations and the slideshow. So we also have the title bar, the slides and the outlines tab. This is where you can see slot where you are working. So of course, the groups of your ribbon, placeholder, the slides pane, zoom controls. You also have this in your other applications, V buttons, and then the notes pane. So let's discuss one by one. So Office button, clicking on this opens a drop-down menu with commands needed to work on files. It is similar to the file menu on earlier versions of PowerPoint. The Quick Access toolbar provides easy access to frequently used commands, and it can be customized. Next, we also have the ribbon. So the ribbon is a collection of tabs used to create the slideshow. Each tab contains a group of commands related to the tab. So in the example, so we have the Home tab, which contains commands related to clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, and editing. So Title bar. Title bar displays the presentation's file name. So aside from those, we also have the Slides or the Outline tab. Slides tab shows a thumbnail of each slide. This is where slides can be added, rearranged, or deleted, while the Outline tab is used to build a text outline of slides. Placeholder is provided for the title and subtitle. So clicking in the box places the title text in a predetermined place on the slide. However, if you will use a blank slide, there is no placeholder there. Slide pane or presentation window. So the slide is created on the slide pane. So think of it as a blank sheet of paper where text and graphics are placed. So in our Microsoft Word, we call it pages. However, in our Microsoft PowerPoint, that is slide pane. So notes pane. Speaker or handout notes pertaining to the slide are placed on the notes pane. The V buttons, so they are similar to the Quick Access toolbar, and they give quick access to frequently used PowerPoint normal, slide, sorter, and slideshow views. On the previous page, it is an example of the normal view. Zoom slide. The slider on the zoom control allows you to zoom in or zoom out, decreasing or increasing the displayed slide. Same with your other applications. Now let's proceed with creating a presentation. Alright, so first steps in creating a presentation is adding a slide. So I will show you how to add a slide. Alright, so we already have our Microsoft PowerPoint open here. So by default, we have one slide available. Again, this is our placeholder for the title and subtitle. And look at the left part of the screen. So you have here the slides pane. To add a slide, so just click, as you can see from the home tab, slides group, we have here this new slide. So just click on the new slide. Actually, you can automatically click on this one to add a slide, or you can also have choices by clicking the arrow down here. So you can have blank slide, title only, section holder, title and content with picture. So in my case, I want to add a blank slide. So there you go. And you can add different or as much slides as you need. Add and format text.